This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 380DQS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, awning, leveling jacks, slide-out, LP detector, smoke detector. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 380DQS is 9,176 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.